Import your image. Press Ctrl+G to duplicate the layer. Rename the duplicate layer to Remove Watermark. With the new layer selected, select a hard brush and adjust the size to match the watermark area. Click on the Edit in Quick Mask Mode icon or press Q to activate it. Start painting over the watermark area using the brush. Hold Shift to paint straight lines if needed. Once done, exit Quick Mask Mode by clicking the icon again or pressing Q. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus I to invert the selection. Go to the Edit menu and select Content Aware Fill. In the Content Aware Fill panel, set Output to New Layer and click OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Select both the layers, right click and choose Merge Layers.